Hello friends, hope you're doing good. So in today's video, I'll give an honest Liven app review after using it for around a week. So if you have some doubts and questions on your mind, like what is Liven app and how does it work compared to other wellness tools? Is Liven app legit? Does Liven app actually work? So this video is for you. So kindly watch this video till the end to know in detail about my Liven app experience. So the first question, as always, is what is Liven app? So we all know that in this fast-paced world, we need to slow down a little bit and reflect on ourselves to build healthier habits. Otherwise, we may feel overwhelmed and stressed. So because of these reasons, Liven app has emerged as a self-discovery and self-improvement tool to help us understand ourselves and to build better positive habits. One thing that stands about Liven app is that it is not a typical productivity tracker, meaning it does not offer you some random checklists which are hectic. It rather helps you think and understand your emotional triggers and gives you this flexibility of creating your own map towards mental clarity. Overall, it isn't trying to fix you, it's rather trying to help you become a better version of yourself so that your tomorrow is better than your today. So now let's talk about how does Liven app work and what makes it different, and let's learn about its specific features through my experience. So the first thing you need to do is to install this application, which is available on both iOS and Android devices, which means that this application is meeting some security criteria to be available on both devices. So let's install it. After the installation is done, you either go to get started, or if you have an account, you can say I have already an account. So while giving these details, you really want to be honest and give true information that you can. So once you're logged into the Liven application, you get this kind of an interface, and here you get multiple options. So the first feature that we have is which is the AI assistant. I tried chatting with it and there was some remarkable responses that I received. You can also ask it questions and share your ideas to get a balanced perspective when you are feeling low. Okay, for example, if I asked it, I procrastinate a lot. It is a common experience that often masks underlying feelings or thoughts. So the good thing that I feel about this application is that it is sympathetic. It doesn't judge you. So when I said I procrastinate a lot, instead of judging me, it said that it is a common experience that many people can have. So this is what I really like about this Livy AI coach. It knows how to emotionally connect with people. So the second feature that I tried was mood tracking feature, which you can go to routine and then you go to check-ins. So it basically captures your mood on a daily basis and it gives you a general trend of your mood and what things are impacting you in a bad way and what things are impacting you in a good way. So we try to incline ourselves towards things that are supporting us. This will help us decide that in a long run. For example, I say I feel bad today, and the reason I say for today maybe is I am overwhelmed because of my work. Okay, so this is education, and then I'm at home and I'm with my friends. So this is what it will do. It will record my mood on a daily basis, and in the end it will give me a general trend of how I have been feeling throughout the month. So another important thing that you can get in the mood tracking is the professional support and feedback system. You simply go to the profile and click on the email sign here, and after that you can write your feedback or your experience. You say I want to get a better suggestion for XYZ, whatever. You just send the message and then you will get a professional support according to your feedback. So the third thing is mini courses, and this is what I really like the most, because in today's time we are all surrounded by the misinformation on social media. So it provides these short courses which you can take, and by the end of every course you get a short test as a practice of what you have learned in that lesson. So which is good because you don't not only get a chance to read, but you can also listen to it if you have problems with reading. So after every course you will get a practice test and then you will complete them. I completed one test on well-being and it was really helpful. These are quite short and you can easily take them. So these courses can help you become a better version of yourself, and they are very short, precise to your needs. Fourth feature is the routine builder. You simply go to routine and you can go to daily tasks. For example, if you go to Monday, then I have to do my laundry, so it will remind me of that task. So I've been using this feature to build my daily routines for a week, and I haven't felt any pressurized because it's not like a serious warden with a stick on his hand, but it is supportive and flexible, particularly for lazy people like me. So yeah, it's a good choice. So these are the things we actively do. But to remain calm and be peaceful, there is another feature that we have is the Soundscape. So when you go to the Soundscapes, it provides you this musical soothing effect that you can easily sleep and rest wherever you are. For example, I say fireplace. Then we can go to rain. Those who are more oriented towards music can listen to these calming sounds, and while you are studying or working on something, you can listen to them, and they'll definitely help you become more productive in your daily life. Also, this feature of Soundscape has helped me reduce the unnecessary scrolling on social media and help me focus on my tasks. So the last feature that we'll be talking about, the self-discovery quizzes, or you can call them tests, which are written here, and it helps you compare your development throughout using this application. Although it has been a week, so I cannot confidently say that there are some tangible results after using this application, but still it helps you gain a clear path of how things have changed over the time while using this live-in application. I've taken a personality test and overthinking test, and to some extent it has shown good results. So in these quizzes, you get some MCQs, and when you solve them, you get an idea about your personality. And I think to some extent it is accurate, because I'm not an introvert, not an extrovert. I'm more like a balanced person, which it has said like balanced. I enjoy group setting equally, and I enjoy being with myself equally. So I'm like a balanced, which means that it has an idea about how to judge your personality based on the questions it provides. So try to be honest and you'll get good results. So after all these, what would be my final take on Live-in app? Does the Live-in app actually work? Is it worth the money? So here is my precise answer. So if you're someone who likes discipline but needs emotional understanding, then I think Live-in app will work for you. But all you need to do is to stick to the plan and keep on working. Also, you need to know that there is not a quick fix solution. So I cannot claim that this application will change you overnight. But all I can say is that if you stick to the plan, keep on working on yourself, then it will definitely help you become a better version over time. Well, another thing is that there is no doubt in Live-in app being a legit application, and customer reviews may vary depending on their preferences and expectations. As I already said, we all want a quick fix solution, which is not practically possible. So what I would suggest to you is that to use your trial time more effectively and more efficiently, so that you discover more about this tool and see if it is the right fit for you. So yeah, if you want to work on yourself and become a better version of yourself, just try it and see whether it works or not. So that's it from Teaching Friend in today's video. Hope to see you in the next one. Take care and stay healthy and happy.